Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add your concert tickets to Apple Wallet. First, locate your ticket. Open the app, email, or notification where your concert ticket is displayed. This could be Ticketmaster, an event app, or the email you receive after purchase. Next, find the Add to Apple Wallet option. Look carefully in your ticket details. Sometimes it shows up as a button, other times it's a link or a small icon. Tap the button. When you tap Add to Apple Wallet, the wallet app will open and begin the process of saving your ticket. Follow the on-screen instructions. You might be asked to confirm by tapping Add in the upper right corner or verifying other details. Check for success. Your ticket should now appear inside your wallet app, ready to be scanned when you arrive at the concert. Important notes: make sure your device and the ticket provider both support Apple Wallet. If you can't find the button, contact your ticket provider for help. If your ticket is already stored in another digital wallet, remove it first before adding it to Apple Wallet. And finally, keep your iPhone and the event app updated for the best experience. And that's it. You're ready to go. Now you'll never have to search your email or app again when you get to the venue. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.